Lifting appliances or slings with a load of at least more than 5 ton should be prepared. Lorry-mounted cranes with a load of more than 10 ton should be prepared. If no crane of this type is available on the spot, you can use the forklift or traveling crane with a load of 5 ton. Be sure to fork according to the marked position of the forklift, and carry out the trial fork loading to check the balance of the equipment at the time of loading. When the fork enters the bed, pay attention to the height of the sheet metal to prevent impact. Note, the rear end of the lathe bed is heavier because there is a laser installed, due to which lifting or fork testing must be done to adjust the balance of the lathe bed. Pre-tighten all adjusting horn to make them touch the ground. Place the level gauge on the Y-axis guide rail, observe the bubble state, and confirm machine high point. Push the beam to the high point of the machine and place the level gauge on the X-axis guide rail. Use a wrench to lift the adjusting horn and adjust the level. Place the level gauge on the guide rails of Y1 and Y2 axis. Adjust the adjusting horn at machine low point to make it level with the high point. Push the beam from the front of the machine to the rear of the machine and check whether the machine is level. After the level reaches the standard, ensure that all adjusting horns bear evenly.